Today's theme of the video is how to set up and use Linktree for absolute beginner. Let's start. First, we go into any browser and we search for Linktree. First website, and here you find Linktree website. Just click on that. It lands to a Linktree website, and this is the basic dashboard of Linktree. Here you can see Linktree is a website where we hosted all our multiple links at a place. Like here, the only link in bio trusted by 35 million plus people. So first we click on sign up, and here it takes little loading. Till then you hit the like and subscribe button. Here you find that you can join it Google account or Apple or with email. Here we are going to create my account using email. So here it is asking for username, so we are giving only our channel name. Yes, it is available, and now we enter our email. Yes, now click on create account. Here it is asking for password, so we enter it and then click on continue. It is asking for tell us about yourself, so we are putting here our name, and then describe the category. Here business, creative, entertainment. I think we should choose creatives, and here just create continue. Here is a plan offered by Linktree, and in this is a monthly plan. First is free, starter, pro, and premium plan. You can prefer any one of this according to your financial status, but I prefer you to use free one. Here you can host unlimited link and apps, and you can also access the analytics part up to 28 days, and here you can also collect payment and tips and donation. Well, there is a 0% transaction fees. The free plan is more than enough for a beginner. Second plan is starter. Here you find customizable theme, button, fonts, and many things. You can read it, and here you can choose annual plan, but we are going to choose free plan. So join for free. Click on. Now just click on continue to my Linktree, and this is the basic interface of Linktree. And on top here you find the Linktree logo, and just beside this links means how many links you have added. Here is appearance section, and analytics means how many clicks you get, and this is the setting part. So we check one by one. Like we click on links, website look like something this, and first we click on add link. Now it is asking for URL, so I have my Instagram URL here. Our Instagram is added. Here you can put the titles, Instagram. Here you can add thumbnail to this, means which photo you want to add inside here. Our Instagram link is added here, and analytics lock schedule. It is for paid prioritize. Here you can add thumbnail, but now I am not going to add something to this. Just click on add another link, means here we are going to add our YouTube channel link. Just copy here, add URL. Just it gets added to yours. Then again we are going to add our another link, which is for LinkedIn. Just click on add, it gets added, and we are just going to add we have to give the title to this, means LinkedIn. Now you can see that our all three links are get added to this at a one place, means when anyone comes to our this website, College Hustler, then he can navigate to LinkedIn also, our YouTube channel and also our Instagram. Or if I have any other links, he can navigate to this also. Like we are going to add our portfolio link here also. So just wait for a minute. First we have to find our link. Now next link we are going to add is of my own portfolio. Then this portfolio I have made on Canva. If you're interested in making your own portfolio, you can check out my previous video, which is on how to make your own professional portfolio using Canva. Link is given I button and description also. Just we click on this, and first then we going to give it title here. Divyanshu wait my portfolio. Here it is showing to publish your profile, please verify it by clicking, means we need to verify this. So here is our Linktree verify email, and it gets linked to our previous Linktree page. Yes, our account is verified. You can see our 4 link is ready here. If you have any other links, you can just click on add link and you can able to do this. Just one thing I want to show you here, on thumbnail section you can I am going to add a icon. Here is a college hostel logo. Just drag and drop, click on shape, and here click on upload. Thumbnail got added to your, yes, here you can see your thumbnail got added beside this. It looks cool. Here you can also add here and here. Now I am not going to add furthermore. So headline title just below your profile photo, here you can edit it. Like here I am going to give the same address college hustler. Now we go into appearance section. First we have seen link option, and next we are going to see appearance section. You can change your profile photo from here. You can just add any photos from there. Again I am going to add the same photo, and here you can write about yourself. Like I am a second year college student and doing freelancing also to learn and teach the newbie. Learn and teach. You can only write 50 characters, so I am not going to do this. Then again here is add social icon, means all your social icons like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, which one you have, you can just add here. First our website is completed, so we are going to see how it looks properly. Now it is showing in this picture. You can have a look. Here you can see the social icon, add icon. Here we are going to add Instagram username college is the 08. Just add to Linktree. It gets here you can change the position of it, means this icon showing upside or on downside, but here I think on bottom side it looks cool, so we are not going to change this. Then we again add links, means here LinkedIn, and enter LinkedIn URL. It is asking for enter LinkedIn URL, so we are going to just copy it and again paste here. Add to Linktree, and you can see here our LinkedIn is added here, and portfolio have no section, means wait, do we have YouTube? Yes, we have YouTube. It is asking for URL, so we are going to paste our YouTube URL here. Add to Linktree, and it gets added to your, here you can see our 3 links get added here. If we click on top, it gets added here. Yes, it is here. I think bottom is best. Yes, here is support banner. Show your support to important causes with profile banner. Which one banner can we activate? I think this is for pro version. Mail listing integration, and sensitive material, means if you have any sensible content here, So you can update this means 18 plus or 21 plus 25 plus. So here this is our account, so we don't need to ticket show SEO. You can leave it, although if you want to explore anything you can explore this, but I think our website is ready. So just we next go into analytics section, and here you find how many clicks or views you are getting. You have an idea of about past 28 days here. No activity data. I think here you can see that I have just set up our Linktree URL, so I have no data to show here. Here you find views, clicks, CTR, revenue, subscribers, anything and any activities. Top performing links means which of the your link is getting high click. Here you get the idea of subscribers, commerce, but I think this is our for paid version. Yes, this is for paid. This is also means this is enough for you. Our Linktree profile is ready, and just click on share, and here you can copy the link of this, and now you can just paste it into your all your socials, like on LinkedIn or any LinkedIn on Instagram, so that any of your follower or anyone who want to know about yourself, they just come to this link tree your profile, and from here they can easily navigate through this. Like here I am just copy the URL, and I am opening a new tab. We have copied our Linktree profile URL, and we just paste into new tab, and this is our Linktree URL tab. You can see here. Just which one you want, just click on that and it lands to that page. Like here I just click on YouTube and it's land to our YouTube page. Here don't forget to subscribe College Hustler, and I am going to leave the link of this Linktree URL in description. You can check out from there. Thank you.